Y'all can't even see me. I have a cute few packages that came in from Amazon. The first one, we're gonna do this one. I got this flash drive case. It was like $6 because I have these discs that I use to get, see, I have a flash drive that I use to take the pictures off of this because the pictures and videos, especially during 75 hard, I've had so many pictures and videos that needed to come off of this because your girl was filming steady. Oh, please excuse them, they're playing with the ball. So that is what I got from Amazon. And I also got this Renfo Smart Body Tape Measure. It measures your body progress with precision. I have been seeing this online, and I was like, I really need this because my measurements have been fluctuating and it's really hard to take my own measurements. So definitely wanted to get this. So when I'm doing my 75 hard beyond journey, I can calculate my measurements, even though I may not see it on the scale. So yeah, that is that. So those are the two things that I got. I am about to put on my shoes and go walk before it gets dark. So yeah. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I just wanted to say this is what dedication looks like. Your girl is out here walking in the rain. Well, it's not pouring yet, but it is drizzling. I am walking in the rain and I'm done with 75 hard, but I'm gonna get my 45 minutes in. Like, I am so dedicated to what I'm doing right now. It's crazy. Now, after 75 hard, I had a couple of chicken waffles and I need to slow down on that. But tomorrow is 70 days until the end of the year. So I've had my 3 days of eating not the greatest, but we're back on it. Although I haven't eaten the greatest, because I had chicken and waffles today and yesterday. Don't know why I was craving that. Let's blame Aunt Flo. But anyway, I am walking in the rain. I am 8 minutes and 13 minutes into my walk. It is 5:20 p.m. I am dedicated, y'all. Like, I just genuinely, I have 75 hard. I did my 2-a-days. Every day since then, which was last Wednesday, I have done at least 45-minute walk, whether it's on the treadmill or outside, at least once a day. Have not done the reading and have not done the water and have not done the pictures or the eating the greatest. But again, I wanted to not give myself a break, but just kind of enjoy for a little bit, a couple of days. Your girl is getting it in. I had a phone call today, this afternoon with Meta. And then I submitted some, I even talked about this the other day. I submitted 2 auditions, self-tape. So yeah, I am trying to stay ready so I don't have to get ready. And I need to keep that in the forefront of my mind when I pick up that fork and have those cravings. But yeah, I'm about to get on the meal prep and all of that. There was this tape measure that I wanted to measure my body, you know, because I was like, during 75 hard, I felt like I was losing inches per se, but not necessarily weight. I did lose weight, don't get me wrong, but I felt like it was more in inches. And so right now I got a tape measure because I wanted to be able to measure the beginning and end with that. So yeah, I wanted to use this body tape measure digital so it can go on the phone so I can track my progress better versus the scale, because even if I'm getting in better shape and I'm using the scale, it doesn't necessarily go down. It can go up or it can stay the same. So just keep that in mind. I'll link it in my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested in that as well. Yeah, so anywho, that's that. I'm going to finish this walk. It feels so good out here. This little driplet, this little rain, y'all see the rain clouds? Yeah. Y'all, I gotta get the DJI camera because using my phone for content, it's killing the storage. That's why I've been using these flash drives, I think it's SSK, don't quote me. And I've been like literally taking the videos off my phone and putting them on the jump drive. Like I literally have no pictures, no storage because I'm using my phone to edit and film and all the things. So anywho, that is that. But let me get off here so I can finish this walk. All righty, bye. Good morning and happy Saturday. Your girl is leaving her nephew's football game. They won, go Panthers. I'm in North Carolina, still here. Was supposed to leave yesterday, but I decided to stay a couple of extra days. My nephew was saying that his game, his last game was today, so, and then there was a few other things going on, and so I decided to extend my stay. I will head home Monday morning or Tuesday morning because we have somewhere to be on Sunday, some business to take care of on Sunday. So anyway, your girl is headed home. I want to go to Walmart and check out these spices that I saw, and it's for like all your hot cocos, your all of the things like that. So I really want to go to Walmart and pick those up. So we'll see about that. My sister's in front of me and my nephew are in front of me. Y'all see my cosmic? Y'all see my cosmic crisp apples? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I had put them in the car because I was like, I am not forgetting my apples this go round. My mom and I went to Sam's Club and I was like, let me put my bag of apples in the car. I'm glad it's cold because if it was hot, I don't know how those would taste sitting in a hot car. But yeah, riding around with Cosmic. But anyway, I want to head to Walmart. I think we're going to stop at Walmart before we go home. And then, yeah, after that, I'm not sure what we're doing today. I do want to go to Home Goods at some point in time today. I do need to go by my grandmother's house at some point in time today. And then, I think that's about it, but we shall see. So anyway, that is that. Y'all, yes, your girl has on a turtleneck. I do have on a turtleneck. It is now 54. It was 40 this morning. So yeah, and then of course I have my trusty dusty, not dusty because it's brand new, Paul Daniel coat, sweater thing, because I know if it's cold outside and I put that on, I'm gonna be hot. And was. So yeah, if you're looking, and it's a men's, but the pattern, the way you rock it as a female is a whole different story, and it looks good. So it's like a pea coat.
Did you just say you didn't have a coffee?
All right, so forgive all the fuzz. Like we were literally in Walmart messing around with blankets. So anyway, I have fuzz all over me. But anyway, I'm headed to my grandmother's house, stop by, say hey, pick up something, and then I am headed home. We just left Walmart and I found like all of the flavor things from McCormick. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to make me some cocktails, some ciders, some rimming, some glasses. Like I'm super excited about some of the things that I'm gonna make with these. So I want to do some skincare today. I have not taken the time to do any skincare. I haven't taken any time to do, I need to wash my hair. I need to get my nails manicure or something. I'm not quite ready to get fake nails on yet. Trying to give my nails a break, but they look a hot mess. And my cuticles in this dry weather and washing my hands, it's not a good look. Like my hands look like, girl, what are we doing? But anyway, so excited about my spices. Like, I want to make all the drinks. I want to make them aesthetically pleasing. I just want all the goodness, all the goodness. I really want a top of the line luxurious coffee latte espresso machine all in one. Just, yeah, all the things. So I am going to be on the hunt for that. Hey guys, happy Saturday. Your girl is out here doing her 45-minute walk. I am 7 minutes and 20 seconds into my walk. It is 1:21 p.m. on a Saturday afternoon, but your girl's getting it in regardless. I believe in consistency and discipline, so yeah, that's what we're doing. Beyond 75 hard. So I believe in consistency and discipline, so that's what I'm doing beyond 75 hard. Yeah, so out here getting it in. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. It is a little chilly outside. I will say that it is a little chilly outside today, but nonetheless, I'm out here. I could have walked on the treadmill, but I decided to get out here and do my walk for today. But anyway, guys, I hope you're enjoying your weekend. I hope you're being productive. I stayed up late last night working on a project. So proud of myself. So proud of myself. Again, focus. Consistency and discipline mean everything. Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Seven and I are headed back to Georgia. As you can see, the car is like literally loaded down. GPS says 4 hours. Not looking forward to that drive, but I did stop, get him a pup cup and got me a coffee. Yeah, so I got me a coffee. He got, now that is the worst Starbucks. I literally just got that. They could have did better. That looks disgusting. Anyway, got me a coffee, got him a pup cup. We are headed to Georgia. I was going to leave him in North Carolina to be with his sister and mom and dad, but I miss my baby when I leave him. Plus, I was like, we'll be back shortly, so. So we are currently on the highway. Y'all, when I say the traffic, prayers out to the people and residents of Jamaica. My hair is wrapped up because I did take a shower and my hair got wet, so I was just like, I'll just leave it up. Plus it was pouring down rain when I was packing the car and getting in the car, so of course the bottom of my pants are like wet from, I guess, dragging the ground. I don't know how, but whatever. So that is what is going on right now on this wonderful Tuesday. Headed back to Georgia. I was in North Carolina for right at since the 14th of October. Wow, I've been here for a minute. Might decorate for Christmas, I'm not sure. Only because I know I'm coming back for Thanksgiving and there's no telling. Poodle-roodle, what's the matter? Anyway, let me get off here, focus, and let us get us down the highway. I hope he does not have to go to the bathroom. But he has been nibbling on a whole bunch of different stuff. Everything I put in my mouth, he wanted some, so. So this is on and off. This lets you know what part of the body. If you see the little green arrows, that's the part that you're measuring. It'll take you through the whole entire body. You see those little green arrows right there? That means you're measuring that part of your body. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, these are pretty. It's literally all. Oh, these are so cute. Y'all, I absolutely love this wreath. Like with a big ribbon. Oh. I don't know if I'm even decorating. You know what? I am going to pull out this stuff. Just maybe not all of it this year, but anyway. All right. Y'all, I am at Home Goods right now. They're playing Christmas music, so that makes me so excited. I am currently, I'm going to prop y'all up. I am currently looking at napkins to put out. I think these are so cute. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Moscato, Vodka, Tequila, and Blitzen. I'm definitely getting some of these to go on the bar cart. And then I'm also looking at these right here. These are super, super cute. These are $5.99. So I might get these to go in the house. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I probably have to turn y'all off because the music, but yeah, I will continue to show you what I'm seeing in here because I'm so happy. Y'all have no idea how excited I am about Christmas. And I don't even know if I'm gonna do all the decorating that I usually do. Only because I don't know if I'm gonna be, well, I know I'm not gonna be in Georgia for Christmas, but I'm just kind of debating if it makes sense to pull out all the things. So yeah, we'll see what mood I'm in. I do want some red ribbon because I do want to incorporate, for whatever reason, I want red, like a red velvet ribbon. And I kind of like this right here. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I need a new comforter. I really like these right here. I like this one, but this is a full queen, and I need a king, and they don't have it in the color that I want. This one's pretty, but I prefer like that. Christmas sheets. Oh, there's a full queen. If I can find me some sheets that are Christmas, I'm definitely getting them. These are, I need a king. Spiced apple crumble. I bet that smells good. So I am packing up all of the Halloween stuff in the tub. This one is the Halloween tub. So I'm packing up all this, and then I am going to put this back in the attic.